Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening from whatever time you're watching this. Today is Friday, and I decided I want to vlog. It's been a minute. Just a regular vlog, nothing special going on today. Fridays I work from home, so I am about to get in a meeting, get myself ready. I'm cleaning up my room. It is a mess. I'm babysitting Dennis and I are babysitting my nephew Jordy and, of course, Luna. So, let's go ahead and get ready. I got my IPSY Glam Bag X. This is my last one because I canceled my subscription. So, I thought I'd use some of these products to get ready. I'm not going to do a dedicated video because these videos really are not ones that get viewed anymore in my channel. Low views, so not really one that I want to put up there. So I'll just do it on my vlog. First thing I see here is from Aether Beauty. This is an eyeshadow palette. And I only know about Aether Beauty because of Tara Babies, that highlighter that she's always raving about. I went ahead and got myself. So that is what the palette looks like. It's beautiful. And those are the shades. The next one here is from Watermelon Glow. This is from Glow Recipe. This is a hyaluronic clay pore tight facial. Here is a Laneige lip sleeping mask in apple. So I have the original formula. My dog is begging on my door, by the way. There's a beauty blender. We got a mascara from Fenty Beauty. Lash treatment, so rose infused lash serum. From Herbivore we got it's a deep moisture glow oil from Herbivore. And last but not least, we got from About Face, which is Halsey's makeup brand. This box is her creation of beauty items that she likes. And this is a highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready, and you guys just watch. Okay guys, that took a lot longer than I expected because I was on my conference call, plus I was doing my makeup using the items from my Glam Bag X from IPSY. So my highlighter. So I did want to do it over the powder, and I think it looks good, but I have to figure out an application for it because it got very patchy and it like stuck in one spot, which I think is the reason why, because I had it over powder. I will try under powder on cream products next, but I do like it. It's a beautiful color, and the color is like a lavender, so it really does go with the look. I guess you put a whole purple box together. So anyway.
Oh, come on, babe.
We just ate lunch. I forgot to film. I forgot to film.
Record, film.
So what did I make you, baby? Such a weird combo.
I cooked myself.
Sure. Bruschetta, some eggs, Salvadorian eggs, with some frijoles, some black beans. Oh, look. Okay, I'm gonna go back upstairs. Fighting this toddler to get her to bed. It is time for nap. Nap time. Oh my gosh. I have my nephew here, and look at this mess. What a mess, Luna. What a mess. Ugh. Hold on. It's time for you to take a nap. Nap time. Yeah? ¿Quieres leche? Pacha. Pacha. I'll be right back.
Let's play. Step on a circle to play a tune. Let's play with Tiger.
Okay, dame el papel. Póndelo ahí.
Step on a circle
Night night.
to choose another tune.
Time for a nap. Okay, I'm gonna run to Starbucks. I just turned off my AC in my car so that you guys can hear me. It is, what is it, like 100 degrees outside, 96 degrees outside right now. It is hot, hot, hot. I'm on my way to Brianna, my child's school right now, because she has a little marching band thing going on tonight, and she forgot her little hat, so I gotta take it to her right now. And then I'm gonna run and get myself some Starbucks. I have been craving Starbucks all day. The thing is, I live out in the boonies, so I don't have a Starbucks nearby. I gotta go literally 20 minutes away. It is a hot one today, my friends. It is hot. Libby has asked for an iced caramel macchiato. I'm going to see what the menu has, and yeah. Okay, so I don't know if this angle is better, but I am pulling up to Starbucks now, so let's see. And yes, I turned off my AC again.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I get a venti iced apple crisp macchiato?
Okay, anything else?
Yep, I'll get a grande caramel macchiato, iced please.
Alright.
And then I'll take a grande vanilla bean frappuccino.
Grande vanilla bean frappuccino.
Yep, and that's it.
Everything on the screen look correct?
Yes, sir.
Alright, 1742.
Thank you.
Here's the one with coconut.
Okay. I gotta turn on the AC, guys. It's too hot. Okay. I just got my apple crisp. Here it is. get out of the way. Guys, this is probably very unhealthy. Which is not what I should be drinking right now. But every once in a while it's okay. Usually I order not too sweet drinks. Like frappuccinos I don't take because I know they're too sweet. I'm a diabetic, so this is gonna destroy me. But just one time. Just one time. Okay, I'll stop talking. Let's try it. I just want to mix it though. How do you mix this? Mix, 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 mix. Oh, I just had all the coffee. I need a straw.
How do I mix this? Okay, hold up, I gotta make it turn.
Okay, I'm home. I mixed this. Yeah, babe. Hold on. I got my own little straw. It's not that sweet. It's good.
Are you vlogging?
Mm-hmm. It's not that bad. I like it. It's bad when I like stuff because then I'm going to want it more. Oh my god, baby. Do you want to try it?
No.
Why not? You have an iced caramel macchiato. Try this one. It's apple crisp. I'm keeping
I mean,
that.
you're
I'm
like,
keeping that.
how was I supposed to reach it?
No, you don't like it?
Nope.
He's boring. He doesn't drink coffee. Only reason why he likes caramel macchiato now is because of his buddies. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I just spilled some. Okay. Let me get this house clean because my nephew just left. Look at this mess.
Mom, you hear me?
Here's my 17-year-old.
You like my butt?
You got no butt.
You're not looking
You're
at
not-
her pants, honey.
I can't see it.
You don't see her pants.
What do you have on?
You're not looking.
I can't see. You have black, all black. Oh my god. You
I
have
went to school
his...
like this.
You're such a liar. Did he
You don't
just rip
believe me?
those
I
up?
went to school like this.
Did he just rip that up?
You don't believe me. I went to school
You're
like
such a
this. I
liar.
went to school like this.
Did you get Lulu?
No.
Okay, let me clean up.
I woke her up and she hit me.
Luna, we're making an impromptu Costco trip now, aren't we? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, we're just waiting on Daddy to get on his motorcycle. Come on, babe. So the kiddos just made some dinner. Oh, I did take a snap. Wait, did I take a snap? Yes, I did.
Or whatever you were trying to say.
Yeah, sure, huerrito. That's what I said, Alejandro. I said yernito. Oh, Lord. You are not a Salvadorian. You are not a Salvadorian. Look, they have such a mess. Such a mess. Such a mess. But I'm very appreciative because they made dinner. And apparently it's going to be an every Friday. Every Friday. They're going to be cooking dinner for me. Yes. Unless Iris has work. And I think this is the end of my vlog, guys. So I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Good night.